Ladies and gentlemen, we have officially begun the week. It's a Monday, and it's not just any Monday, it's the combination of two things. It's a very, very hot Monday here in Brooklyn, New York, but at the same time, it's also 4 o'clock, well, past 4 o'clock. The markets are closed, and it's happy hour here in New York City. And you know what we do in happy hour, right? We have ourselves a drink. Now, U.S. stocks, they rose Monday afternoon, lifting the S&P 500 above its record close, and the Dow Jones to an intraday record on merger and acquisition news. Now, first, Hillshire Brands said it would pay about $6.6 billion to purchase Pinnacle Foods. Then Pfizer pushed its proposal to buy AstraZeneca for $106 billion, this time with Pfizer's head of research saying that the acquisition would not hinder drug research. Now, as the markets begin to settle in, let's take a look. We have the Dow Jones Industrial Average rising to an intraday record of 16,699.55, and that was last up 0.7%, not too far from that high. The S&P 500 advancing 0.9% above its April 2nd record close and less than 2 points from its intraday record, and the Nasdaq climbing 1.6%. Now, for every share falling 4 rows over at the New York Stock Exchange, where we now take a look to see how the markets closed out on this very strong start to the trading week. And we end overseas with some good news out of China, as its government said in a statement it would ease foreign investment caps in listed companies and also hike quotas for capital flows. Now that's what I call a great start to the week. And now all I can say is kick back, relax, have yourself a drink. I'm about to have one of my own, courtesy of my good friend Mr. Tony W. over at the New York Stock Exchange. I'll see you guys all tomorrow morning. And before I go, I'm going to say one thing. Beat the heat. From modernwallstreet.com, I'm James Sweeney. City. And you know what we do in happy hour, right? We have ourselves a drink. Oh. A lot more sour than I thought it would be.